Now we are finally going to Dhotrey via RIMBIK in this car, and we are beginning another holiday within a holiday after our trek has ended. After 5 days of trekking, this long drive from our homestay in Sepi to RIMBIK was a pleasant journey. We reached RIMBIK market in about half an hour's time, and we did some shopping while we were waiting for our next vehicle which will take us to Dhotrey. So from RIMBIK to Dhotrey it was about 1.5 or 2 hours, and we were really enjoying this holiday in a holiday. And if you have seen my previous vlogs, you would know why I'm enjoying this leisure time. That's our luggage. That's where we're staying, and we are here at Dhotrey, just landed, and it's a beautiful, cute, small homestay with an attached balcony, a bathroom. After taking some time in the room and in the balcony, I then decided to head to the kitchen because I got a call to get some hot tea in this amazing cold weather. And guys, we were in for a surprise. And as soon as we reached Dhotrey, we saw snowfall. Oh my god, I was praying for the snowfall for the whole trek in Sandakphu. And finally, what is law of attraction? This is law of attraction, and I could witness snowfall just for a bit, but I was so happy that words cannot express my happiness that time. This video is doing no justice to the beauty I witnessed with my bare eyes, and it was time for some garma garam khana. And soon after, the wanderers in us headed out without resting even for a minute. We headed out to the nearest temple, the Mahakal temple. On the left we can see the temple, and on the right there was a monastery. So we were in to explore, and this is the temple which you can see right in front of me, the yellow structure. Let's get to our favorite part, things to do in Dhotrey. Number 1. Panoramic view is very famous when you come to Dhotrey because it is surrounded by mountains all over, and it is situated in the middle.
That is a homestay right there.
Next up, monasteries and temples.
Very small, peaceful, quiet monastery. The locals said that you can open the gate of the monastery and go inside. Let's get inside.
If you follow me on Instagram, you know my connect with monasteries. I sit and chant in monasteries, and I did just that here. Next up, you will make lots and lots of friends in Dhotrey, these fur babies out here. We met so many different breeds, and we were so overjoyed to meet each of them. Here is a Dalmatian, and he looks so handsome, right? Next up we saw another one, and he was so cute as well. But hold your breath, I'm going to make you meet this little monster. Meet Fluffy Ear. We named him Fluffy Ear because he had fluffy ears and he was a naughty boy. He was constantly hitting our camera. And meet the savior, the angel savior, who looked just alike Fluffy Ear, and both of these were giving us entertainment, and how they were fighting. One was against us and one was for us, and we had a gala time.
अरे खा लेगा What the hell is this? ये तो मीम बन जाएगा. Dog memes. अरे
Alright, next we did a lot of walking in the valley, and we thoroughly enjoyed this walk because we were constantly moving in rugged terrains for the last 5 days. But this smooth, straight walk to the forest contented our souls so much that words can't express yet again. And we were now moving to the best part of Dhotrey, according to me, which was the forest. Dhotrey is also called the forest village, and it is situated at an altitude of around 8500 feet, and it is about 11 kilometers from Darjeeling. Best time to visit here would be October to December, because that time the sky is generally clean and you could see the Kanchenjunga in full glory. While walking within the forest, we came to this football ground, and I'm going to show you a drone footage now.
And also in this football ground, there's a small school for children.
After that magnificent sunset time lapse, we headed back from the forest because it was getting evening and we did not want to get stuck in the forest, that too when it was super cold. And guys, we are walking really fast actually, and now we have reached another monastery which we just discovered out of nowhere while walking. And look at that beautiful water bird feeder. It is so cute, made DIY from the village people. And this is the monastery I was talking about. Looks like a home setup to me. Beautiful mountain flowers as usual, isn't it? And now it was time for us to enter the cute little monastery, and again it was evening and I chanted for some time, felt at peace, looked at the beautiful sunset yet again, and captured the view in my heart and also on my phone. And then we reached our homestay. Meet Vikram, his wife, and the little child. What a cute family. And we had our dinner. We requested them for a Maggie YY, so they made just that for us. And it was next morning.
Good morning. We have just woken up. It's 6 o'clock. Amit has kept the GoPro on a time lapse on the terrace to capture the sunrise, and I have just gotten up, got ready. Somehow it's super cold. And I'll show you the view outside my balcony. Here it is. Absolutely peaceful. Not a soul on the road yet. It's so beautiful, guys, this place. If you are craving for peace, then this is the place to be. Gorgeous.
Next up in my things to do list is the most important one when you visit Dhotrey, the Kanchenjunga viewpoint. Yes, you heard that right. We did Sandakphu, but this was like a bonus. We never planned this Dhotrey trip. This was out of whims and fancies. All of a sudden we planned this, and look at what we saw. Oh my god. We were in for a treat. We saw the Kanchenjunga up close, and the disaster is about to happen, guys. Oh my god, my heart is still sinking. In the next episode, I'm going to take you to Darjeeling and show you all the offbeat locations you haven't seen yet. Hang on and subscribe.